Anxiety, it's something many of us deal with, but what if the key to managing it isn't just in your mind, but in your gut? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating connection between anxiety and your microbiome and share natural ways to calm your mind by healing your gut. The gut-brain axis is a two-way communication system between your digestive system and your brain. This connection explains why we feel butterflies when nervous or lose our appetite during stress. Recent studies show that imbalances in gut bacteria, or dysbiosis, can increase anxiety by disrupting this connection. In fact, some researchers call the gut our second brain because over 90% of serotonin, a key mood-regulating neurotransmitter, is made in the gut. The role of the microbiome in anxiety. Your microbiome is the community of bacteria living in your gut. A balanced microbiome can lower inflammation, regulate stress hormones, and even improve mood. But if harmful bacteria outnumber the good ones, it can lead to higher levels of anxiety and stress. Diet, medication, and stress all play a role in gut health. The good news? You can improve your microbiome with some simple lifestyle changes. Natural ways to heal the gut for anxiety. Probiotics, or live beneficial bacteria, help restore gut balance. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kombucha to your meals for a natural dose of probiotics. Prebiotics, the fibers that feed good bacteria, are just as important. Foods like bananas, garlic, and oats nourish your microbiome and support gut health. Certain herbs like chamomile and ashwagandha can soothe your nerves and regulate the gut-brain connection. Mindfulness techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises reduce stress, which is key to healing your gut and calming anxiety. Avoiding processed foods, excessive sugar, and artificial sweeteners can help reduce inflammation and support a healthier gut. If you're curious about how your gut might be affecting your mental health, visit my website innerwellnessguide.com. There, you'll find detailed articles, diet plans, and natural therapies based on scientific research. Your journey to better mental health starts from within. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.